GDScript, a high-level, object-oriented, imperative and gradually typed we can make. Here are all the comparisons we use, such as is equal to, is not equal to, and so on. We can also add more conditions to one if statement.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
Multiple data types of keys and values in the same dictionary. And even cooler, you can actually have arrays or dictionaries inside another dictionary. This might sound really abstract, but it's actually pretty cool and often comes in handy. Say for example, we don't just want to store the level of each player, but also other info like their health. Well, then we simply replace this value with another dictionary. We'll add a key called level with a value of 1, and another key called health with a value of 8. Classes. This is a good one. GDScript is an object-oriented programming language. This means that we generally try to structure our code inside of contained That was a lot of code for one video.